You know, most people don't realize that the average professional contractor uses a rotary hammer for about 20% of their total work time, but it accounts for a whopping 80% of their overall tool expenditure. It's quite astonishing when you think about it, and this is largely due to the sheer variety of tasks these versatile tools can handle, from drilling through tough concrete to chiseling out tile and mortar. If you're in the market for a top-notch rotary hammer, the new 2912-22 for Milwaukee M18 FUEL 1-inch brushless cordless power rotary hammer kit is definitely worth considering, and link is in the description if you want to check the product details on Amazon. As someone who's had the chance to use this kit, I can tell you that it really delivers in terms of performance and reliability. One of the standout features of this kit is its intelligence, which essentially allows the tool to automatically adjust its speed and torque to match the task at hand, making it perfect for drilling into a variety of materials, from wood to metal and even concrete. This level of adaptability is incredibly useful in real-world applications, as it saves you the hassle of constantly switching between different tools or adjusting settings manually. For instance, I was working on a project where I needed to drill into a steel beam, and this kit's intelligence feature allowed it to sense the material and adjust its power output accordingly, making the task much easier and faster. Another significant benefit of this kit is the M18 XC6.0 Battery Pack, which provides a substantial 50% more power and runs 50% cooler than its predecessors. This increased power output is noticeable when tackling demanding tasks like drilling through thick concrete or chiseling out large areas of mortar. The cooler operation also extends the battery's lifespan, reducing the need for frequent replacements and saving you money in the long run. I've found that this increased power and cooler operation have been a huge time saver on my projects, allowing me to complete tasks more efficiently and with less downtime. The kit's 3-mode operation is also worthy of mention, as it gives you the flexibility to switch between rotary hammer, hammer-only, and rotation-only modes, making it suitable for a wide range of applications. This versatility is a major advantage, especially when working on projects that require different techniques, such as drilling and chiseling. For example, I was working on a renovation project where I needed to drill into a concrete wall, and then use the hammer-only mode to break up the remaining concrete around a pipe. The ability to switch between modes seamlessly was a huge advantage, and saved me a lot of time and effort. In addition to its impressive feature set, this kit also boasts an anti-vibration system, which helps reduce the amount of vibration transferred to the user, making it more comfortable to use over extended periods. This is especially important for professionals who spend a lot of time using these tools, as it can help reduce fatigue and prevent injuries. The system is also designed to work in conjunction with the tool's 2FTLBS impact energy, which provides the necessary power for demanding tasks without causing excessive vibration. I've found that this system has made a big difference in my work, allowing me to use the tool for longer periods without feeling fatigued or uncomfortable. When it comes to the pros and cons of this kit, one of the standout advantages is its sheer power and performance, which makes it perfect for heavy-duty applications. The intelligence feature and 3-mode operation also make it incredibly versatile, allowing you to tackle a wide range of tasks with ease. However, one thing to consider is that the kit is a bit on the heavier side, which can make it more difficult to use for extended periods, especially for those who are new to using rotary hammers. Additionally, the price point is a bit higher than some other options on the market, which may be a consideration for those on a tighter budget. One of the things that I've found particularly useful about this kit is its ability to handle a variety of tasks with ease. For example, I was working on a project where I needed to drill into a concrete wall, and then use the hammer-only mode to break up the remaining concrete around a pipe. The ability to switch between modes seamlessly was a huge advantage, and saved me a lot of time and effort. I've also found that the kit's anti-vibration system has made a big difference in my work, allowing me to use the tool for longer periods without feeling fatigued or uncomfortable. Overall, I'm really impressed with the new 2912-22 for Milwaukee M18 FUEL 1-inch brushless cordless power rotary hammer kit, and I think it's a great option for anyone in the market for a high-quality rotary hammer. With its powerful performance, versatile feature set, and comfortable design, it's definitely worth considering for your next project. And if you're interested in learning more, the link is in the description below.